Carbogenics is a spin-out company from Edinburgh University, from the UK Biochar Research Centre. So we are quite knowledgeable about biochar and very knowledgeable about anaerobic digestion, so a perfect combination. We have invented a new product, which is ultimately a very high quality biochar that we call Crechar. We use non-recyclable paper waste as a feedstock to produce our char. And we then use this Crechar in biogas plants as an additive to substitute all the chemical ones that are currently used in the industry. Our Crechar has a very unique set of qualities. So first of all, when introduced into the biogas reactor, it absorbs all of the harmful substances like ammonia or hydrogen sulfide and allows the microbes to settle into the pores of the char. Then makes them more productive. We like to call them, makes them more happy. And they, in return, produce much more biogas for the AD operators. We have a lab facilities based in Scotland, and we have trialed our char with plants of different types. So we looked at agricultural plants, wastewater-based anaerobic digestion plants, and also food waste-based anaerobic digestion plants, which are quite popular in UK. So we have discovered that you cannot just simply add char to the bioreactor without knowing everything about this reactor. And we realized that we need to not only look at the chemical aspects of running of the reactor, but also at the fascinating microbiology within it. And my colleague Adam, who is the head of microbiology, started to use a technology where he took samples from the bioreactors and looked at the DNA of this sample, so at the unique microbial composition. And at the moment we are trying to map different types of these compositions to understand how our product affects the reactors, not only on a chemical level, but also on the microbial ones. And I believe that that gives us quite a good start in starting to solve different problems in individual bioreactors. So we are kind of a unique offering. We offer a service when you learn more about your own plant, but also a product that is going to actually help you to do something about your microbial or your reactor problems. We are obviously at a very early stage, so our first production site for char will be set up in Scotland this year. It's a pilot production, so we expect lots of problems and we will be troubleshooting them as they arise. However, we are hoping to have our first batch of products for testing at the end of this year. In parallel, we are inviting companies across Scotland, UK and Europe to trial with us on a lab-based scale, which we believe is essential. So at the end of this year, beginning of next year, we would like to start building a portfolio of case studies where we trial in the large-scale reactor. We already have 2 volunteers, one agricultural-based plant and the other food waste plant. If you have an AD plant and you would like to learn more about our product, please visit our website www.carbogenics.com.